Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove the background from video in DaVinci Resolve 19. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first method is very straightforward and works best when your video has a solid colored background. Start by opening the effects library from the top. You can also disable Media Pool. Then go to OpenFX and search for 3D here. Drag and drop the effect onto your video clip. Next, select the tool, open the drop-down menu, and choose OpenFX Overlay. After that, click and drag over the background color to sample it. Make sure you select all areas of the background until everything behind the subject turns black. Keep in mind that if your subject contains colors similar to the background, those areas may also be removed. If that isn't an issue, the effect should work well. Once the background has been removed, you can place any image or video behind your clip and instantly see the difference. For the second method, which is useful for moving subjects such as a car, to do this, switch to the Color tab. Now, place the playhead at the beginning of the clip. Then select this window tool, and then choose the Pen tool. Using the pen, carefully draw a mask around the object you want to keep in the video. Take your time to make the selection as accurate as possible. When you finish, connect the final point back to the starting point to close the mask. Next, open the tracker panel. Since the playhead is already at the start of the clip, click Track Forward and allow DaVinci Resolve to follow the object throughout the video. Once tracking is complete, you can return to the beginning and preview the clip to make sure the mask stays attached to the subject. After confirming everything looks correct, go to the node area, right-click, and choose Add Alpha Output. Then connect the blue output square to the blue alpha input dot. This will remove everything outside the mask, leaving only the selected object visible. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove the background from video in DaVinci Resolve 19. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.